This demonstration provides information about the steps that sellers need to follow for processing an Easy Ship order. Hi, I'm Seller Central Expert. After completion of this module, you will be able to evaluate the significance of registration process for Easy Ship of goods and services at Amazon, identify steps to manage customer orders and delivery, recognize the importance of regulatory form and requirements the seller needs to complete to ensure delivery of goods and commodities. Meet Dheeraj, a registered individual seller with Amazon.in, who wants to avail the Amazon Easy Ship service to manage his deliveries and customer base. Dheeraj has completed the registration process for activating Easy Ship on his seller account. After customers place orders and select the payment mode, Dheeraj receives email alert indicating the orders lineup in his account. Now, let's help Dheeraj to manage his deliveries. To view and manage deliveries, on the homepage, expand Orders and select the Manage Order option. The Manage Orders page displays details about the order date, product details, mode of delivery, status, and action required. Note: products that can be delivered using the Amazon Easy Ship facility are indicated with the active Schedule Pickup button. Easy Ship orders can be either expedited or standard. The products that cannot be delivered using Easy Ship have the Confirm Shipment button enabled. To initiate the shipping process, click Schedule Pickup. To schedule pickup for your products, enter package details such as invoice number, package weight. You can create multiple package types using the Manage Package Types option. These package types can be quickly selected from the drop-down list when scheduling pickup. To create packaging dimensions for new packages, select the New Package button. You can create multiple packages by customizing package dimensions by providing particulars for length, width, and height. To save dimensions for new packages, select Save All Changes. To create dimensions for new packages, enter appropriate particulars for length, width, and height. You can now select time and date for your pickup. Note: the time slot window closes 30 minutes before the identified time for delivery. You cannot schedule same-day pickup for 9 a.m. time slot after 8:30 a.m. Same-day pickup cutoff time is 1:30 p.m. You cannot schedule pickups for Sunday. Before you proceed with scheduling pickup, check the shipping charges. Shipping charges are calculated based on the volumetric weight or package weight entered by seller, whichever is higher. Make note of products or commodities and conditions where the Amazon Easy Ship facility cannot be applied. Some of the products not supported with Easy Ship facility include products that weigh more than 9 kilograms. Maximum product dimension restriction 50 by 35 by 30 centimeters. Alcoholic beverages and liquor confectionery. Cigars, cigarettes, tobacco, weapons, banned products like drugs, UPS and battery items. Amazon reserves the right to make final decision for product deliveries not supported by Easy Ship facility. To print the shipping tag for your product, click Print Shipping Label. Shipping label should be clear and readable. It should not be resized while printing. Labels should be pasted on the flat and largest side of package. barcodes and address should be clearly visible on the package. Labels should not be folded or scratched or include any additional markings. Labels having A, T, S, P, L is an easy ship order and should be handed over to Amazon Pickup Associate only. If you want to make changes to order details or the label print is unclear, you can reprint the shipping label for your product. To make changes to the shipping label, first select the Order ID options and then click Reprint Label. After you complete the packaging process and have scheduled the pickup, Amazon accesses information and delivers the package to the identified location. The documents required for inbound and outbound deliveries include shipping label, tax invoice, and regulatory forms. The shipping label and customer declaration form can be generated using Seller Central. Dheeraj needs to hand over the tax invoice to Amazon Pickup Associate along with the package. Ensure your regulatory forms for inbound and outbound deliveries are duly filled and updated. Movement of goods across state borders requires the carrier, logistics, to provide duly completed and signed regulatory forms. Sellers need to adhere to the regulatory requirement to ensure that packages are not delayed in transit for lack of documentation. Check the Seller Central help page to find the required regulatory forms for different states. Dheeraj has provided all completed and correct documents. The package is delivered to customer as per schedule. Dheeraj now has a satisfied customer added to the list. Note: Amazon Easy Ship service also collects cash on delivery and rejected orders. Sellers' Easy Ship orders should not use external courier service. Payment for such orders is not processed. Package weight and dimensions threshold for Easy Ship are 9 kgs and 50 by 35 by 30 centimeters respectively. Packages that do not fulfill requirement can be refused at pickup. For lost in transit packages, Easy Ship covers the complete order value. For damaged in transit packages, only up to 5,000 rupees is reimbursed. Contact seller support for any issues.